Hey friends, it's Kelly and welcome back to Mama Needs a Goal. Thank you so much for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. So friends, today's the day I am announcing the winner of the earring haul giveaway from Temu. I am so excited. There are a few of you that actually won 2 pairs of earrings. And I believe there was one person that won 3 pairs of earrings. So I just wanted to start off by saying thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I really do appreciate it. My YouTube channel is doing really well. This community that I'm trying to build is starting to grow, and it's all because of you. So thank you guys so much. I really do appreciate it. And I hope by doing these kind of little giveaways that you know that I do appreciate it. So with all that said, let's get to the giveaway winners. So let me stop chit-chatting. So here we go. friends, so that is it. Thank you guys again, and congratulations to all the winners. I hope that you guys will continue watching. I will have more giveaways coming up, over the next couple months. If you follow me, you do know I like to do like Croctober, and July is pickle month, and I like to do giveaways, just fun little giveaways like that during those months as well. So I hope you guys keep following me. I do plan on purchasing a couple more things through Temu, and I'll do a giveaway through that as well. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget, hit that little subscribe button, and please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter, and TikTok. So friends, thanks so much, and I will catch up with you next time. Bye.